In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your sender's email in PayPal. This can be incredibly useful for confirming payments, resolving issues, or simply keeping track of your transactions. Sometimes, you might receive a payment and need to get in touch with the person who sent it. And knowing how to quickly locate their email address directly within PayPal is a valuable skill that can save you time and effort. We'll walk through the process step by step to make it as clear as possible. To begin, once you've successfully logged into your PayPal account, you'll want to navigate to the Activities section. This is usually found prominently on your main dashboard or through a clear navigation menu, often labeled simply as Activity or History. Think of this page as your personal transaction hub, a comprehensive record of all your incoming and outgoing payments, purchases, and other financial movements within PayPal. It's the central place where you can review every single interaction, making it the perfect starting point for finding specific transaction details about any payment you've received or sent. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this page contains a wealth of information that can be filtered and searched. Once you're on the Activities page, you'll see a chronological list of your recent transactions. Your next step is to identify the specific transaction for which you want to find the sender's email. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many transactions, you might find it easier to use the search and filter options available on the page. Look for the particular payment you received, recognizing it by the date, the amount, or even a brief description if one was provided with the transaction. Once you've accurately located the correct entry for that payment, simply click on it. This action will open up a detailed view of that particular transaction, presenting a dedicated page with all the specifics related to that single payment. It's crucial to select the right transaction here, especially if you have similar amounts or dates, to ensure you retrieve the correct sender information. Now that you're on the detailed transaction page, your final step is to locate the Contact Info section. This section typically contains the essential details of the person or entity involved in the transaction with you. Scroll down the page, and you should find it clearly labeled. Under Contact Info, you will usually see the sender's name and, crucially, their email address. This is the specific piece of information you've been looking for. Sometimes, depending on the PayPal interface or the particular type of transaction, this information might be found under a slightly different heading, such as sender details or recipient details if you were the one who initiated the payment. Just scan the page for sections that clearly present information about the other party involved in that specific payment. Once you find their email address, you can then use it to communicate directly with the sender if needed, whether for clarification, to send thanks, or to resolve any transaction-related questions you might have. And that's how straightforward it is to find your sender's email in PayPal.